Holy shit, that was funny.
I didn't record it.
I know it.
You were right there, too.
No, you're stuck.
My dad comes home, he sees me like this. Oh! I can't let go of this. That was quite fun. I'm not gonna lie, it really was.
Holy shit. You land on the ground.
You gotta really control it. I'm gonna stick my thumb in its butt.
Again. Just replay it. Let's see.
I can't get up. Okay, this is the challenge. I gotta get out of this position without my feet touching the floor.
Okay. Go. Holy shit, I gotta sit down.
Oh, my hair. It's caught under my thing. Ah! Look, my hair is so long, it's like against the couch and my back. Oh, that's really... Ah! Oh my god. I can't... Oh, my shoulder. Oh. What was that sound? Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Let's watch it.